Xiaomi is deepening its ties with Leica with a special edition model of its flagship. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra 100 years edition of Leica Edition celebrates the brand's legacy with Leica-inspired designs and exclusive packaging. Xiaomi announced the limited edition Xiaomi 15 Ultra. Xiaomi 15 Ultra features an impressive camera system that is enhanced by Leica partnership. So the special Xiaomi 15 Ultra edition arrives in a large gift box which includes exclusive Xiaomi Leica Humanistic Photography Series photobook. You get a unique design that resembles the iconic Leica one. It brings back the silver back that includes golden accents mostly around the large camera ring. For a more authentic camera look, the frame is also chipped gray frame that shows metal underneath to give the look of a used camera. The special edition features the same internals and camera spec of the regular Xiaomi 15. You still get the 1-inch primary camera sensor on the rear with a large 200 megapixel 4.3 optical zoom that has 1 by 4.inch sensor. You get a 50 megapixel 3x telephoto camera and a 50 megapixel ultra wide lens as well. Other notable features include Snapdragon 888 SoC, 6.73-inch LTPO AMOLED QHD plus IP68 body. The announcement arrives weeks after the Xiaomi 15 Ultra gets a redesigned camera case and new colors.